Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another great episode of On Trail. Now, I'm in the Mogollon Rim. I'm in the Rim Vista trailhead area, and more specifically, I'm on the Military Sinkhole Trail. Now, it's rated as a black diamond. As you can see, it's pretty chonky and technical. One of the things riding up here in the Rim area, you gotta beware the pine needles, and we'll talk more about that a little bit later on. Shorter ride, about 2.5 miles. Still working out the back issues, my friends. It's been a minute since I've been on the trail, and yeah, it's just one of those things. But we play the hand that we're dealt. So, enough jibber jabber, my friends. It's great to be back out here. No matter how far the ride is, what do I always say? Yeah, no such thing as a bad day on the trail, just a short day on the trail. So, before we get started, it's been a while. What are those tenets for Get Out Arizona? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on the trail. And we have to ask, as you see this gorgeous view all around, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, it's time for that next adventure. All right, my friends, in a couple weeks, I'm gonna be in Sedona, and there's gonna be opportunity for a group ride. That's right, the first group ride of the year. Now, it will be on a Monday or a Tuesday, and I know that's not convenient for everybody, but I'll have more details, okay, including the trails we're gonna be riding, so you guys know what you're in for. And I really hope you can come out and join me, because what do we always say? The only thing that's missing from these adventures is you. So I'll put the elevation somewhere so you guys can see it. But I think we're close to 6,000 feet. My friends, if you've made it this far, God bless you. Like, subscribe, bell notification icon. Helps out the channel, helps out the video immensely. So, biking up in Payson, Prescott, Flagstaff, different than Sedona. One of the things I learned really quickly was you have to watch out for the pine needles. And no, they're not going to puncture your tire, but they gather in bunches, and if you hit them going a little too fast in that corner, it's like ice, all right? Tire will slide out right from you, and you're gonna land hard. So when you're up here, just be mindful, all right? And the roots, man, you got gnarly roots coming up out of the dirt that'll end your ride in a heartbeat. So it's fun. It's a change of scenery for sure, but it poses its own brand of challenges. So always keep your eyes open, my friends. We always want to be safe so we can not get injured and come out here and enjoy another day. So that's it. That's my non-pro pro tip for this ride. So let's keep moving forward. All right, my friends, so we're coming to the end of this segment, the military sinkhole. And although my spirit's willing, my body's saying, whoa. So again, still got the back issues, still trying to rehab from that. And I'm not about to push it past what I know I can get away with, considering I'm gonna be up here for one more day and I'd like to try to ride again tomorrow. So that being said, again, if you've made it this far, God bless you. Like, subscribe, bell notification icon. Helps out the channel, helps out the video immensely. We've got some links down below, Trek Bike West and Street Graphics. Follow those links, show a little love to the guys and gals who support us. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the Devil's Works, our social media. We need it to get the word out for Get Out Arizona. The affiliate link is for our Amazon store. As long as you make a qualifying purchase, my friends, we will receive a small commission. You are not charged anything additionally. Helps out the channel with park pass money, gas money, and coffee money. The other trifecta we love so much here at Get Out Arizona. So, my friends, as we close out, look at that gorgeous view. Seriously, all right? This is why we do it. Whether you're just beginning and starting your journey and you need a little help, whether you're a pro rider, we don't care. Come out, join us. It's community, my friends. It's all about the community, and we're here to help one another at the end of the day. We got to stop tearing each other down. So on that note, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, I love you to death, and we'll see you on that next adventure.